Since it's the beginning of a new quarter, it's time to share the newest Kendra's card challenge. This is card challenge number 13. I'll be using some scraps today to make some cute cards. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. I have some exciting news. I have joined the Kendra's Card Challenge design team starting this year, 2024. And today is the day that the design team members are all kind of sharing with you the new card challenge, which is card challenge number 13. I am going to be working with sketch 15 today. There are links down below for all of the participants from the design team for the hop today. There are also a link to access Kendra's card challenge, and let's go ahead and get into the card and I can tell you more about this quarter's challenge. I have all of my pieces cut and ready to go to make two of the same cards. And I did take some liberty on those little strips there. The collection I'm working with did have some strip scraps that were already similar in size to what the sketch calls for. And then I did trim some down to the specifications on sketch 15. So when I sort them out here in a second, you're going to see the varied sizes. But when I put them on to my card mat, I do follow the sketch as far as, where does a thicker one go and where does the thinner one go. One of the great things about Kendra's card challenge is that not only does she give you the cut guide, sketches, and everything you need to make 15 cards, if there's just one card that you want to make, one sketch that you want to focus on, she gives you the dimensions, all of the piece dimensions for that particular sketch. So she makes it really easy for you to make just one card if you'd like, which is what I'm doing right here. And it made it easy for me to use scraps in this case. Something cool about this quarter's challenge is that Kendra is collaborating with Alicia over at Call Me Crafty Owl, and so some of the challenge sketches are based on previous sheetload of card sketches. And you'll see that if you hop along to the design team members, we're all kind of focusing on different sketches, and so you may see some familiar sheetload sketches from the past. And then Alicia from Call Me Crafty Owl is also incorporating some previous challenge sketches into her sheetload of card sketch. So that is really fun, fun to see and fun to do. The challenge 13 runs from January 1st of 2024 through March 31st of 2024. And the description box down below has a lot of information in it, and there's a lot of information I'm throwing at you right now, so please be sure to check out that description box because it has important information, it has important links that you're going to need. One of the links that you are going to want to check out is the giveaway form. Each video in the hop has their own, there's a separate giveaway form on each video that you can fill out for additional chances to win prizes. And there's kind of a super secret code word, if you will, for each video that you'll need to enter on that video's form. And so for my video, the super secret code word is Colorado Craft Company. And Colorado Craft Company is one of the super sponsors for this quarter's challenge. You'll need to enter that into my form that is linked below, and then I'll have some graphics at the end of the video that talk about all of the super sponsors for this quarter, but also about Colorado Craft Company. I will also include a link to Colorado Craft Company in the description box so that you can check out their amazing products. Also in that important description box is information on how you can download the current quarter's challenge sketches in the PDF. There's information on how you can play along with the challenge if you want to submit your cards for additional chances to win prizes. All of that is in the description box below. Kendra does have a membership program, and if you just want to download the current quarter's challenge, you can do that for free through her membership site. But if you want additional perks or you want the archived challenges, you can get that for additional membership tiers in her program, and that just helps support all of the hard work she does in bringing these sketches and challenges to you. Please be sure to check out all the participants in the hot below. Thank you so much for your time today, and hope you all have a crafty day.